If you want to review a shorter summary of this video, a YouTube short is available for your pleasure. Click the info button link in the corner to access that YouTube short. Now back to the video that you came here for. Alright, hello to you viewers out there. My name is NachoSecondChoice, and I am bringing you an update on week 6. I have done and been able to accomplish quite a few things, and I'm pretty proud of myself, so I'm excited to talk about what is in the weekly plan. There is something else that I've been doing as well in terms of making a pitch deck that I'll show in week 7, so a little sneak peek for you. But at the end of the day, we do have some things to demo here. Finally, it's not just me talking and just showing this goofy plan. So yeah, week 5, just to review those goals real quick. We talked about scheduling some developer time, which I did, which I'm going to show you guys. And what Project Vegeta is and how the project is going to be managed. So yeah, we're continuing to do it. We are getting a lot of things done. It's really cool. I've been having a lot of help from everyone else, and I'm very, very thankful for that help. Yeah, just jump right into it. Try to knock these things out. I'd like these things to be easy to quickly see and quickly track my progress without having me just kind of blah, blah, blah. Although, I don't know, blah, blah, blah. So, it is what it is. This week's theme is develop and sculpting. So yeah, lots of development that happened on Saturday, which is great. And then I'm helping to sculpt out the pitch deck and what this is all about. It's really fun. It's really cool. I'm excited about that. Need to create all the weekly plans, blah, blah, blah. We demo my new website, and I need to get the website in a code repo this week. And I'm starting to iterate on the pitch deck that I talked about. So those are the goals. Everything else is the same. So we'll just jump right into the couple things. One of the demo things I wanted to show you was I did finish my About Me section on the Twitch profile. Didn't finish it, but I got it up from nothing to something here. maybe this makes a little bit more sense when it comes to congrats on your number 2 trophy you lost, right? So that's the fun part I'm having with the name and the brand. It's been fun. A lot of people talk about it. They like to make jokes. I love it. Come in, make jokes. It's fantastic. The danger theme is going to be sort of the Twitch more theme. I'm not going to repeat that anywhere else, but I'm planning on, if I get emotes and get up to that partner level and all of that, to have those goofy little people falling off ladders or whatever. I don't know. I just always think those stickers are funny. I was cracked up that, they had to have a demonstration of what it looks like, a stick figure falling off a ladder. So it's funny. It's fun. I'll leave that up for a minute so that you can maybe read while I'm talking or pause the video and take a look. But that's about it for that. I'm going to jump over here because I have a website. So cool. Really neat. So the way that we're doing development for Project Vegeta is I am working with a gentleman. His name is Subtle, and I've recorded a video. That one is definitely going to get edited here. It's probably going to be on the top of my list of video editing, and it's about us making all of this. And a big thing about this is really from scratch development here that I'm showing on screen, and that's really kind of fun. So this is all using like Angular and JavaScript and so on and so forth. And I drafted up on the whiteboard a bunch of kind of what it could look like, and we came up with just some top pages, and I kind of got donate done, and then we switched to, so this is all front end work from a development standpoint. And then we switched over to the backend work. So there's a backend here. That's really cool. So I can start a web server, as you saw maybe here, that I can start a web server. I can get this thing loaded and can show off what it looks like. And then I can start the backend. So there's a tie-in to the backend that will be used for all of the processing that I'll need to do, and making sure that I can start to talk to APIs and doing different things like that from an OCR perspective. All of that will be in next week's pitch deck. Really neat. I'm very happy that this is all here. I've been able to start tweaking a little bit myself of what the wording is going to be and uploading some of the changes. Yeah, and as a part of, you saw on the goals, I will be uploading this to some kind of code repository. I haven't made a decision on that yet. And then I will be sharing it with Subtle in order for him to be able to access that code from home, and for us to be able to commit code into that code repository and collaborate together on developing all of this out. The plan is to make all of this open source, so eventually I'll work on the open source parts of this because, well, I mean, you're going to see it all on screen anyways. Might as well just open source it and let it be something that maybe other people can use. that's it for week 5. This is a lot of fun work. This is a lot of good work. I'm really happy about where this has gotten. It's so cool. I have a website now. Yeah, you know, it's not meant to be pretty. It's meant to be functional so that we have something to actually code against, and then the pretty can come later. So it's kind of, you work on that core component. It's the same thing I've, heard in game development, right? Where the game just looks awful most of the time. GTA 6 is a good example of that, right? They released or it got leaked early and everybody looked at it and said, what is this? But you don't look at like a pre-alpha product. You have to make sure to get all of the core functions done. And then you can make it pretty. Then you could do things like fix bugs and do that kind of testing in order to make sure that that all looks good. So that's it for this week. There's lots of good stuff. I got even more stuff to demo next week, and hopefully we'll keep this train rolling of actual stuff to be able to show you and get through these weekly plans quickly so that you can have a good idea of where I'm at and follow my tracking and progress. If you have any comments, throw them down below. If you have any questions, throw them down below. Send me a DM, send me an email. Come visit me on Twitch. Come follow me and share my content and come hang out. It sounds great. It's nice seeing you guys. I'll see you again next time.